Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade your PS3 to a larger hard drive. So this one right here is 160 gigabytes. I bought it, it's maxed out, it's all I can do to it. But for those of you with smaller ones, I'm going to show you how you do it. So, first of all, you're going to want to make sure it's completely unplugged, obviously, and flip the switch here to make sure it's off. I already have mine off. Then you're going to want to turn it upside down here. So you get a good view there. Mine's pretty dirty. Then you're going to want your jeweler screwdriver. I'm just using a regular flat here. You just stick it in there and it pops right out after a minute or so. And there is this blue screw. Just got to unscrew that. The first time you unscrew it, it is really tough. Hold on. Okay, so it's going to unscrew that there. When you're finished, if you can't grab it with your fingers, you use your screwdriver. But this pops out sort of like a lever. Just give it a pull. And out comes the hard drive assembly and everything. So there you have it. There's a Toshiba 160 gig right there. This is SATA. Okay, so you guys should know when you do the upgrade. Then you just take out these 4 screws here. And there, and you're good to go. When you're all done, just pop it back in. Doesn't matter how the lever is positioned, you just gotta make sure you put it, don't force it. I mean, if it's, there you go. Make sure it's in all the way, it's pushed down so it's not flush. Then, take your screw here, you can see it's a odd design. Okay. There you go. And then all you have to do is actually push it in there first and then just clip it in. And you're done. That completes the PS3 upgrade, and you should be good to go. Make sure you, oh, I should mention before then, you're going to want to buy a hard drive dock or something so you can transfer the data. Otherwise you're going to be booting up to a blank screen. Minor detail. And everything should work, and just, I'd say, save a backup of your old one, or just save the old hard drive and don't erase it, because you never know if you're going to have to put it back in for some reason. But until then, thanks for watching.